Miss. So right now I will be reciting my prose poem. Um, so here it goes. Um, Keep your gear spotless. Whites on Monday, everything else Tuesday, no exceptions. Don't let mud sit overnight. It stains worse than laziness. Remember what I told you about posture. Chin up, shoulders back, chest out. Pride isn't a feeling, it's a stance. Don't walk like you're tired, even if your legs are shaking. Don't breathe like you're hurt, even if your ribs scream. Don't win like it's luck, and don't lose like it's acceptable. Ignore the sting in your forearm, it's just a scratch. Don't be dramatic. The blood means you played hard, not that you need a break. Hold your head high. Show some pride. No, not that kind. The quiet kind. The kind that doesn't smile too much or cry at all. Don't talk too much in the locker room. Don't laugh too loud. Don't joke unless you're winning. Choose your friends wisely. Winners talk to winners. Don't mix with bench warmers. Eat like a champion, not a pig. Napkin in your lap. Elbows off the table. No ketchup on the jersey. Don't complain about the food. Fuel is fuel. Winning is weak. Whining is weakness. Clean your helmet until it gleams. It's the first thing people see. Organize your pads by size. Symmetry is discipline. Don't forget your gear. Don't forget your gear reflects you, and you reflect me. Practice every night. Grades before games, but don't drop either. Ace and touchdowns, son. Don't make me choose which one matters more. Don't ask if I'm proud. That's not how this works. Remember, the silence after the game means you still have more to prove. Remember, the field is not a playground. It's your proving ground. Don't smile too easily. Don't smile too early. Don't cry at all. Don't forget that your best might still not be enough. Don't forget that your best has to be better. Don't forget I'm watching. Don't forget I'm not watching just to see you play. I'm watching to see if you deserve it. So that's my prose poem. My point of view there is that I am a student athlete. So thank you, Miss, for listening.